You'll see its strong stainless steel mesh filter and durable body design for long-lasting performance in water, oil, or gas systems. Whether it's a Y-type strainer for compact spaces or a basket strainer for heavy-duty service, high-flow strainers keep your system safe, efficient.
United Kingdom, UAE, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and widely used in projects such as Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, Shangri-La Hotel, Kerry Center, Petrobras, GE Workshop. Service, quality is our core competitiveness. To create value to customers is our greatest wealth. What can we do for you? How can we do better? We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
If you are interested in our vowels, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.